So this video is sponsored by Pionex, one of the exchanges I use all the time. It's one of the main crypto brokers to Binance, so the volume is very high. The main thing that sets them apart though is that you can use free trading bots, a variety all designed to benefit from different market behaviours, whether that's up, down or sideways. You'll get 20% off all your trading fees for life with my link in the description. And if you join the Telegram, a lot of us already use it, so if you've got questions we can try and help you out. Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at XRP. So this is XRP on the long-term time frame. We've got a nice big picture of the daily here. So we bought into this at the accumulation zone. We had a little blip, a larger blip with a little molehill afterwards, a big blip with a small molehill afterwards. I'm looking for the next big blip, to be honest with you, on this one, and it could push us up towards the new all-time high, but certainly we'll take out this area here of $2. I'll be looking, to be honest with you, I am actually looking for the new all-time high to be taken out on this next move up, because the nature of XRP on this previous portion of the bull run, because again this doesn't follow the market as a whole, it's got its own 4-year cycle which works almost in the opposite way in many ways to the overall market. It kind of goes down for between 2 to 3 years and then up again for the last year. It did it in 2013 to 14, 15, 16, 17. Now it's doing it again from 2018 to where we are currently, right? So it's quite an old altcoin, which was one of the reasons I like it. It kind of respects its own behavior. And so if we're looking for its behavior to complete again, I am actually looking for a blow off top, just like the way that it moves here. Big move up, big move down, big move up very fast, move back down, big move up very fast, big move down, a little molehill just like this one here. And so now I am actually looking for the new all-time high to be taken out. Now I'm not a futures trader, and I wouldn't suggest anybody take any long positions or anything like that, because I'm not a financial advisor, and unless you're a skilled trader I wouldn't suggest you even entertain the idea of doing futures. But for me, I do actually have a long position, which is kind of usually kind of out of character for me. I generally don't like doing those sort of things, but I'm pretty confident in the way that this is going. And it was taken down at this death wick here, because every time we come close to a 200 exponential, for me it's worth trying it, because XRP, while in a bull run, which is what we are at right now, will likely come down at some point to retest this. So I did do some futures around here. I tried it again now, and I'm waiting for this one to materialize into a very large pump. Again, we're talking about 200% move, or maybe more, 250% move. So we're breaking out of this descending wedge, which is a bullish thing to do. So that's nice to see. If we move it down to a 4-hourly chart, we do have that's not quite confirmed yet. I think HyperTrader sometimes needs a bit of catching up to do. But what we're doing here is we can see that there's also a wedge within a wedge on a 4-hourly. We've got ourselves a golden cross on the 4-hourly, which again is very bullish. So there's everything going for this at the moment. The 4-hourly and the daily is all quite bullish. Let's quickly bring it to the weekly, and then we'll bring this video to a close, because there's no need to go into too much detail, because again it looks pretty good. The weekly came down to retest the 10 exponential, a very bullish place for it to test. All we need to do really is close above the cloud on the weekly, which also corresponds with the price on the daily, which is more or less around I want to see it close way above the cloud. So we'll talk about $1.16 and hold that value for probably a few days or so, and then we should get our conversion baseline and our cheeky span to close above the cloud, which would be all it needs to start that mega rally that XRP likes to do. It'd be fast, it would be furious, and it would likely be sold off pretty fast as well. So you normally have to be grateful for what XRP gives you on those runs, because it does go into usually a very large consolidation, quite a dramatic one. It's shown that that's how it behaves on the long run, and in the short term we do get these fantastic moves up, but then we also get these giant pullbacks. So that was a 78% pullback. What was this one from top to bottom? Again, that was a 74% pullback. This is what it does, and be prepared for that. So if you are trading XRP, my advice, not that I'm an advisor of any form, but my advice would be grateful for what it gives you, and don't be afraid to sell. And again, if you're a futures trader, you've got to be a skilled individual to deal with XRP, because it pumps and it dumps, and sometimes it dumps before it pumps. So you just got to be very careful with it. But either way, I do like the way it looks right now. Short term and mid term does look like it wants to go pretty significantly up. Whether the main question is Is it going to do it now, or is it going to have a pullback before it does it? I don't know, but it does look really good, and a new all-time high, I truly do believe, is just around the corner. Right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.